Hey there, today we're going to look at how to download Microsoft Excel 2021 for free, so let's get started. First, open your computer search. Over here, search for Microsoft Store. Then open the Microsoft Store app. After that, once the store loads, search for Office 365. Over here, look through the results. Then find Microsoft 365 it shows as free. After that, click on it. Then click Install. Over here, once installed, log in with your Microsoft account. After that, open your web browser. Then go to Google. Over here, search for Office 365. Then click on the office.com website. After that, log in with your Microsoft account. Over here on the home screen, click Install Apps. Then open the drop-down menu. After that, click on Microsoft 365 Apps. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.